Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Xiaomi 2022 Book Pro laptops. So friend, Xiaomi is updating its flagship Book Pro series with new processors, graphics card and even pattern new displays. And friend, this Book Pro series will rely on Core i5-1240P Alder Lake CPU with 4 performance and 8 efficient hybrid core architecture, and this is a lower power processor for light and thin designs such as Xiaomi Block series. And friend, new CPU architecture is based on upgrade over 11th generation Core Alder Lake S35, which were a barebone of 2021 Book Pro laptops. And friend, these new laptops are part of Intel EVO series. And friend, both the 14-inch and 16-inch model will be equipped with 16 GB of LPDDR5 memory and 512 GB of PCIe Gen4 SSD. And friend, this series features CNC cut chassis with 14.9 mm thickness. And friend, these new OLED displays are the most significant upgrade to Book Pro. So friend, the 16-inch model gets 4K screen, whereas the 14-inch model gets 2.8K resolution, and both have touch support and 600 nits of brightness. And friend, there are 0.33 delta E color accuracy panels with 100% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage, and there is no information on the panel's refresh rate, so these are probably 60 Hz. And friend, this Book Pro 2022 series will offer new graphic function including built-in Iris Xe graphics with 80 execution unit, discrete GeForce MX550 GPU or GeForce RTX 2050, which was released last year. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.